Phew, I am back to finish this video for the stay-home woman, stay-home man, child care, elderly care, your health care, you name it. Whatever it is that we're stay home about, this concludes this video for now. I just finished prepping for supper. So I'm gonna use my sticky eye base from Makeup Revolution. I have washed all the dirty dishes, make up the bed. I am now blending this sticky eyeshadow primer. Because we're home all the time doesn't mean that we cannot do something we love, or at least look presentable. So today we are doing one color eyeshadow look. Don't forget, you are worth it, you are important, and if a one color eyeshadow look is what you want to do, just to remember that you are worth it, go ahead and do it. Because sometimes when we're home, we think less of ourselves than if we were out there working. Some people are home not because they want to be home, but because situation has caused that. I am home and I'm happy to be home, but there's some people who are just not in the same situation as me. So it's not as easy for them to stay home. Sometimes it's because of sickness. Sometimes it's because they have to take care of somebody else. It's a lot of stuff that grounds us at home. We're doing one color eyeshadow look because we're busy, we have things to do, we have to cook, we have kids to take care of, we have elderly to take care of, maybe we have a sick family member. They don't have to be elderly, but maybe they're not feeling well, already have primer. And we don't have much time, but we still want to look presentable. So we're doing this one color eyeshadow look. And we're using face powder. I'm using It Cosmetics face powder. For those who like liquid foundation, go ahead and use that. But for the people who are home, and you might not be liking it, if you have someone to talk to them. Explain to them why you don't like it, why you want to go back to the workforce. And if you are home because you're sick, bedridden, and all, then you're not happy, still talk to someone, because that will help you navigate things a little easier. If you didn't base your eyes with a concealer, you can leave it just like that with your skin, just like this, or you can take a little bit from your powder and just go over here where you have left the space and add that powder right there, so it blends nicely with the rest of your eye makeup. And then you just make it look nice, and you take and you blend like this to fix your one color eyeshadow look. I went in with my Clinic Press powder to put over the MAC Face Press Powder Foundation, because as it's getting warmer, my skin is getting darker, so it was a little too light. So to balance it out, I went in and put this color on. We're at home, but we're not going to stay like we have no purpose. We need a purpose, and we have to stay with doing the things that brings us joy. Now blush, I'm using Mented blush. It's called Buried Away. I love it. Busy, stay home man or woman, we have to take care of ourselves. A little bit of makeup will cheer us up and take us a long, long way. We're not doing all this other stuff because we don't have the time to do all this stuff. So we are just doing very little because we have to do other things. We just don't want to look like we are in our PJs and our night shirts and nightgown all day. We want to feel like somebody who has a purpose. We're stay-home mom, women, men, because there are men who do stay home to take care of kids, sick parent, sick child, and elderly. So it's not just women, it's men and women. We are busy, we are always busy doing something for somebody, and then we neglect ourselves. We have to stop neglecting ourselves. We are first, so we can take care of others, so we're not resentful. I'm using Juvia's Place lip color. I think this is maroon. Yes, it is. I love it. This is so pigmented. This Clinique mascara, I am loving it. I got it in some gift bag, and this I am truly loving. I love it. And now that you are done putting on your makeup for the day, you want to either tie your hair. You can tie your hair like this, and you can be home doing your stuff, taking care of someone, taking care of the kids, doing this, doing that, and you are all prepared. And you feel good because you feel, wow, I did something for me. It's empowering me to do more for myself and for others. So today you feel happy and you're doing other things too in the house. You're cooking, you're singing, you maybe find yourself dancing. You know what I mean? So don't be afraid to take care of yourself. The eyeshadow I use is this one right here from my friend Mail. It's from my friend Mail. She sent me those 4 pieces of multi-chrome sparkly. That is the orange from that. The orange shifts, so I don't know if you can see the different shifts. But again, if you don't want to tie your hair, you can also put on your hairpiece, and we're going to do that thing. And we throw it on. So this is the wig. You can put the wig on and be all fabulous around the house, go to run errands, come back, take care of stuff. And then I'll even go a little further, and you can tie your scarf with your wig if you want to, you know what I mean? Make it yours. Make it make you happy. Make sure you are content with what you're doing, because it is all you at the end of the day. At the end of the day, you want to be happy in order to make other people happy. And then you do that. This is it. Make yourself beautiful. Enhance your beauty. When you enhance your beauty and you feel beautiful, that creates joy and happiness. I use blush, face powder and pressed powder foundation, mascara, brow liner, eyeliner, and eyeshadow. And I created this look. Make it work for you. You don't have to do all of that. You might just put lipstick and brows, or powder and brows and lipstick. But because you are home, don't think you are not worth anything. You are as important as the next person. Spruce up yourself a little and enjoy it. If you don't enjoy being home, speak to someone, your spouse, your partner, or a friend, and find out why you're home and you don't like being home. Maybe you can't wait for the kids to grow up so you can get back out there. But in the meantime, enjoy the journey. Because if we don't enjoy now, we cannot enjoy later. Because if we are unhappy now, we carry it into the later. So now the later becomes now, and we're always in the now. So with that said, if you'd like any more videos like this, let me know and I'll be happy to do them. Again, you are first. Always remember that, and I will see you in the next video. Us busy mamas, us busy papas, we're just busy running around and not doing anything for ourselves. So today, we did something for us.